Hi, my name is Valtteri. Today I'm going to tell you about the new Savox HC-100 headset. I will show you what the product includes, present the product and demonstrate how to assemble the product to a fire helmet. Savox HC-100 consists of the following parts.
Speaker unit including connector cable, microphone connector, microphone rotator, universal strap helmet adapter, MSA Gallet F1XF helmet adapter, headset mounting kit including adapter mounting screw and T6 tool, cable attachment parts.
The speaker is 40 mm in diameter. This enables loud and clear communications.
There are 4 different microphone options available. Detachable boom microphone option. This microphone offers very good audio quality and can be used in everyday tasks, including smoke diving. Detachable short boom microphone option. This microphone option is an affordable choice which offers good audio quality and user comfort. Detachable bone microphone option. Savox bone microphone is field proven in the popular Savox HC product range. Detachable throat microphone option. This microphone is an excellent choice to be worn under protective clothing.
When ordering the product, choose the right microphone option for your operation.
Before you start using Savox HC-100, you should know that instructions differ depending on the helmet. If you have an MSA Gallet F1XF helmet, attach the MSA Gallet F1XF helmet adapter on the speaker unit with the adapter mounting screw. Use the tool in the sales package. If you use any other kind of helmet, attach the universal arm helmet adapter on the speaker unit with the adapter mounting screw. Use the tool in the sales package.
Let's have a look how to attach Savox HC-100 to an MSA Gallet F1FX helmet.
The HC-100 can only be attached on the left side of the helmet. First click the front assemble tooth into its slot in the helmet. Then press down the back side of the adapter to the second slot in the helmet. Ensure the adapter is safely attached by pulling down the speaker unit. Fix the chosen microphone to the microphone connector on the speaker unit. The boom microphone and short microphone are secured with the locking ring. Bone and throat microphones are easily connected to the speaker unit. Push the microphone's plug firmly into its slot.
And this is how you attach Savox HC-100 to a generic firefighting helmet.
The HC-100 can only be attached on the left side of the helmet. Push the arm behind the helmet headband or similar type of framework. Keep the strap on the opposite side of the headband. When positioned in the helmet, weave the flexible strap through an appropriate slot in the arm. Finally, weave the flexible strap to the back side of the arm. It is important that the headset is kept steady and the speaker is positioned near your ear when the helmet is on your head. To ensure the cable, attach it to the helmet with the cable attachment parts. remove the tape's protecting label from the holder. Firmly press the holder to the helmet's inner side. Slide the cable tie through the holder. Press the cable against the holder and tighten the cable tie. Finally, cut the loose end of the cable tie. Once Savox HC-100 is attached to a helmet, place the helmet on your head and secure it with the straps.
While using a boom microphone, rotate and bend the microphone towards your mouth. Check that the microphone logo in the end of the boom is facing your mouth. When using a bone microphone, rotate the microphone rotator to the back position. This position will prohibit the microphone connector from getting loose from the speaker unit. When using the throat microphone, rotate the microphone rotator to the mid-down position. This position will give the most lag in the mic cable.
Finally, connect the Savox Quick Release connector to your Savox RSM or PTT unit. Savox HC-100 is easy to maintain. It only requires normal cleaning with a wet sponge or cloth. In order to avoid any connection problems, it is recommended to clean the connectors with some high-quality lubricant meant for electronics.
Thank you for watching. For further information, please visit our website at savox.com.